In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your TikTok account from your contacts. Let's launch the TikTok app. In the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on the profile icon. In the top right corner, tap on the three vertical lines. In the pop-up menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. In the menu, tap on Privacy. In the Privacy menu, tap on Suggest your account to others. The options in this menu should be turned on by default. Through these options, your contacts get suggested to see your account. Hiding your TikTok account from your contacts can be important for maintaining privacy and setting boundaries between your personal and online life. You may not want friends, family, or coworkers to discover your content, especially if you're exploring creative expression, discussing sensitive topics, or simply want to keep your online presence separate. It also helps prevent unwanted interactions or questions about your videos, followers, or activity. The first option is Contacts. This means all the contacts from your phone will be able to see your account. The second option is Facebook Friends. This means if your Facebook ID is connected to your TikTok account, your Facebook friends will be able to see your account. The third option is for the people who open or send links to you. Turn off all the options in here. By doing so, your ID will not be suggested to them anymore. Following these steps, you can hide your TikTok account from your contacts easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.